Page 154, this is the one at the bottom of the page, the one with no name, whatever. It's another improvisation. If I could talk, I need more coffee. They're giving us the melody, but this time instead of the chords, they're telling us when to play them, we get to figure out what the chords are. We figure it out based on the melody. What are the main notes in the melody? And those are going to be the notes in the chord, or at least some of them. Now, they give us a menu of chords in the text. They got a 1, a 5, 7, and a 3. So those are our 3 choices. We're going to use those chords throughout this piece. And you'll notice the 1 chord is a lowercase I for Roman numeral. That indicates it's a minor chord. The 5, 7, of course, is a major chord with a minor 7th. And then the 3 chord is going to be a major chord. So let's get the melody down first. 2/4 time. I'm here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and rest, come up. The reason is because we're going to have an E later on. We need to be ready for it. You can use a 4 there if you want. You can be in this position, whatever. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, so that's the melody. Sounds like it's in A minor. So I reckon the chords we're going to use are for A minor. So the 1 chord in A minor is here. It's a minor chord. It is a major chord with a minor 7th. And then the 3 chord is 1, 2, 3. It's a C chord. And it's a major chord. So we got to figure out which of those chords are we using when, where the little lines are. Well, at the beginning, probably going to start with a 1 chord here. So let's come down here. And then which of these? Well, I don't know. Try them all. Here. That doesn't sound too bad. Try the 5, 7 here. That didn't sound right. What about the 3 chord? Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to stay with a 1 chord. Now we have a G sharp. That would be the 5, 7 chord. And then here, the A, because a 3 chord doesn't have an A in it, so it's a 1 chord. Now here, C, well, that would be the 3 chord then. Finish it with the cadence of 5, 7, 1. So the last 2 major, 5, 7, 1, here or down here. I don't know where I'm playing these yet. Wherever, somewhere. So once I have that sort of figured out, I'm going to try the pattern. They give a suggestion pattern. Don't have to use it. And then that first line, each time I did the 5, 7, I resolved it back to the 1. 5, 7, 1. And the cadence going through, it fits. You can try other patterns too as you try it. Just different patterns. You don't even have to use quarter notes. You could use something to experiment with it. Try out different patterns and explore the possibilities.